Hey guys, I'm Nick, aka The Roy Nick's Games. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to start your very own Hamachi server in Minecraft 1.8. That being said, there are some limitations to a Hamachi server. One, it's not 24 hours, meaning it's only live when your computer is up and running the server, which kind of sucks. And two, it is only limited to 5 people. Only 5 people, including yourself, can join this server, and everyone who does join has to have Hamachi. That's kind of crappy if you ask me, but lucky for you, I have a solution to that. You can go to rkt.us/apex, the first link in the description down below, and get a 24/7 Minecraft server that can have tons and tons of people in it for just $4 a month. So go check that out. Go see if it's something you'd be interested in. It's really cheap. It's really affordable, and I personally use Apex Minecraft hosting for everything that I do, right? Everything Minecraft that I do that includes a server, I'm using Apex for it because they are just that damn good. Go check them out, rkt.us/apex. Nevertheless, if that doesn't interest you and you still want to set up a Hamachi server, let's go ahead and jump on into this. First off, you want to go to minecraft.net/download or the second link in the description. Go down there, click that, it'll take you out to this page. And you want to come down here to where it says, if you're running on Windows and just want to set up a server easily, download Minecraft_server.1.8. Click Minecraft_server.1.8.exe right here. It's like in a purplish color. Click that, it will download the server. If we minimize this, you can see it here on your desktop. If it's not on your desktop, hit the Windows key on your keyboard and R at the exact same time and type in downloads. Hit enter if I can type, and it'll be right here. As you can see, it's right there for me. We don't need that one, so it'll be right here. Take that, drag it over your desktop, boom, there you go. Once you've got it on your desktop, go ahead and right click new, and then you want to create a folder. You can name this whatever. I'm just going to name this 1.8 Him server for 1.8 Hamachi server. Then we can go ahead and take this and drag it over into that folder. Once you've got that Minecraft_server.1.8, you can open this folder and boom, here it is. Once this is in this folder, double click on it. Go ahead and click run, and bada bing, bada boom, stuff is created right there, and this is opened. We don't need this right now, so we can go ahead and type stop here. And boom, it'll stop the server. Now what we want to do is open up EULA or EULA. We want to open up this text file by just double clicking on it, and we want to go to this address, account.mojang.com/document/Minecraft_EULA. Read that, make sure your server's not going to break any of those rules. If it's not, come back to here and type in EULA equals true from EULA equals false. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click File, Save, close out of this, and we want to double click on this Minecraft_server.1.8 again. So double click on that, again hit run, and wait for it, it'll open this again, and as you can see, all kinds of stuff is created. Now what we want to do is come over here in this little box and type STOP and hit enter. It'll go ahead and shut down this Minecraft server, which it might take a second to do. There you go. Once it's done that, we can go ahead and download Hamachi. To download Hamachi, you want to go to secure.logmein.com. It doesn't matter. It's the third link in the description. Go down there, click that third link. It'll take you off to this page. Once you're here, you want to download the unmanaged version of Hamachi. So go ahead, come down here, hit download now, and okay, once you've done that, you've got to click this little conditions box right here. Make sure you read all this and agree to it. Then hit download now. Then it will download Hamachi. We can go ahead and minimize this. And as you can see, here is Hamachi. If it's not on your desktop, again, you can hit the Windows key and R at the same time on your keyboard. Again, type in downloads, hit enter, it'll be right here. Go ahead and drag it to your desktop if you want. In this case, it doesn't matter because we're just installing a program. So double click on Hamachi, go ahead and click run, all of that stuff. It'll go through all of this. Next, read through all of the terms and conditions. I've already read through that, so we're good to go. And then click I agree. And then I'm going to create a desktop shortcut for ease of use. You don't have to do that. And then click install. Once you've done that, it'll go through installing Hamachi, which can take a few minutes. So I'm going to let it install, and I'll meet you guys when it's done. Once Hamachi is installed, you'll get a window that looks exactly like this. Be sure to click Launch Hamachi. Make sure that's clicked. And then click Finish. Once you've done that, it'll come up, say, starting Hamachi, and bada bing, bada boom, here we go. Now what we need to do is basically create our own internet connection inside of our internet connection. Very easy to do this with Hamachi. Go ahead and hit this power button right here. It'll open up this. you need to put the Hamachi client name, and for me, I'm just going to put Gaming PC because that's just what my name of my PC is, but you can name this whatever. You can name this Nick's MC Server. It doesn't matter what you name this, just whatever you want to name it. Does not matter. It'll say probing right here. We're going to have to wait for a second until boom. There we go. As you can see, it's created a whole bunch of stuff here. And now we can go ahead and we create a new network. So go ahead, create a new network. And we need to put our network ID, our password in here. Now, you have to have a unique network ID. So for me, I'm just going to enter a bunch of random numbers here. So there's that. You need to remember this. So I'm going to copy this and then paste it over here into a notepad document. So we can go ahead and do network ID, and I would recommend doing this because you're going to have to give this to your friends and other people who want to join your server. So make sure you have your network ID here. Nobody else can use this, so something as simple as Minecraft server, that's not going to work. It has to be something more unique than that. You might be able to say your name, Minecraft server, or something like that. That might work for you. Nevertheless, we now need to enter a password. I am not going to give my password away to you guys because I think that's honestly stupid, but just for the sake of this, I'm just going to enter a simple password here. I'm not going to give you guys my password. You can use your own custom password. It doesn't matter what it is. Just make sure it's the same here as it is here and that you can remember it. So you can enter your password over here if you want. I'm not going to do that because, again, I don't want to give you guys my password because I don't want you guys, joining my server here for privacy reasons. So we're going to go ahead and click create, and boom, now there is that. Now what we need to do is come back over into our Minecraft server, which is actually being hidden right here, into this folder, right? But you can delete that Hamachi file you downloaded. We need to come back over here into this server, open it up, and then we need to go into the server properties right here. So right click on that, open with, and then you'll see Notepad. Double click on that or click OK, and it will open this up. Now what we need to do is take this number right here, this IPv4 address. As you can see, if you click on it, in my case 25.42.21.210, yours will be different. That's 100% fine. I want to stress this, that this number right here will be different for you. It will not be the same. Don't freak out. Go ahead and click on that, click copy IPv4 address, and then come over here and you'll see server-IP equals. Go ahead and right click, paste. Paste that server address right there. As you can see, 25.42.21.210, 25.42.21.210. The same thing as I have, you should have also. So there's that. Go ahead and click File, Save on Server Properties, and guess what? Wasn't that very, very easy? Much easier than port forwarding, I would say, to start your server. So go ahead and open up the Minecraft server here by double-clicking on Minecraft_server. You'll get this nice Java box. This time we're not going to stop it. We're going to keep it open, and we are going to launch up this right here, which is Minecraft. So we're going to launch up Minecraft. While we're doing this, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit how your friends will join a server. How your friends will join a server is if we go back here, to how we were before. If we stop this, okay, we can turn this online and it will open our server back up. I'm just showing you guys this. But if you want to join a new server, if your friends want to join a new server, what they need to do is download Hamachi from the same link that we download in the description, right here, the third link in the description. Go down there, send them that link, and it will take them here. They need to download the unmanaged version of Hamachi and install it just as we did. And then they need to go to Network, join an existing network, and here they need to enter the network ID that you made earlier, right here, right? For me, yours will be different, right? Your network ID will be different, so they need to enter this, and they need to enter the password right here, right? So give them the network ID you created and the password you created, and then hit join, and then they'll be able to join your server using this IP right here, 25.42.21.210, or whatever your is, your IPv4 address that is listed right here. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and launch up into Minecraft 1.8, and I'll show you guys that this server is working and live. You'll join it using that same IPv4 address and everything like that. It is all the same. So if we go ahead and launch into multiplayer right here, and then we direct connect, that's not the server IP address we want to enter. We want to enter 25.42.21.210, and then click join server. It'll take a second to log us into the server for the first time, and bada bing, bada boom, there we go. Bunny! we are now in a Minecraft server. As you can see over here, go ahead and make sure you're op yourself by typing OP dead Buddha or OP your Minecraft username. That will op you. You need to do that for all of your friends that you want to play in the server as well. And there you guys have it. You now have a Minecraft 1.8 server hosted with Hamachi. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, if you guys want a 24/7 server that can have more than 5 people in it, including yourself, I want to make that stress. You plus 4 people can be in a Hamachi server, and that's it. If you want more people than that, you need to buy a server or set one up using my other server tutorial. But you can buy a server that will be up 24/7, and you can have as many people in as you want in it at rkt.us/apex. Apex Minecraft hosting is amazing. Go check them out. I love those guys, and you will love them as well. I promise, if you decide to use them as your server host, rkt.us/apex. Anyway, guys, I'm Nick's Games. I hope you enjoyed this video. We are now in here. Again, for your friends to join the server, they need to go to network and join an existing network and enter the network ID you created when you were creating your server and the password that you created when you were creating your server here. Then you give them this IPv4 address that is listed right here. Yours will be different than mine, and enter that in and give that to them. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I make awesome Minecraft videos every single day of the week. I'm Nick's Games, and I'm out, guys. Peace. And here's some videos you guys probably want to go check out. On the left is how to install too many items in Minecraft 1.8. The Epic Inventory Manager and Survival Creative mod has updated to Minecraft 1.8. There it is, too many items. Go check it out. It is incredible. I know that video will help you out in installing 1.8 too many items. And on the right is Trials Fusion Rage. I got extremely pissed off playing an extreme track on Trials Fusion. I think it's a fun time. I think you guys will enjoy the video. Also, check out my daily vlogs and Bomb Streamers. You can see what I'm doing every single day of my life. Anyway, guys, I'm Nick's Games, and I'm out, guys. Peace.